Every year, when the winter chill settles in, stargazers look forward to one of the most serene meteor showers of the season, the URSID Meteor shower. If you're planning to catch a glimpse of the night sky's wonder, this could be your chance. But what exactly is the URSID Meteor shower, and how can you see it? Stick around as we dive into everything you need to know about the URSID in 2024. What are the URSID meteors? The URSID Meteor shower is an annual event that takes place every December. It's not as famous as the Geminid, but it still brings a stunning display of meteors across the night sky. The URSIDs are caused of debris from a comet called 8B Tuttle, which leaves behind a trail of dust and particles as the Earth moves through this debris cloud. The particles collide with our atmosphere, burning up and creating bright streaks of light. The comet itself was first discovered in 1790, and it passes by the Sun every 13.6 years. The debris from the comet is what creates the URSID meteor shower, and it's responsible for some of the most stunning shooting stars in December. Now, when and where to see the URSID meteor showers in 2024? In 2024, the URSID meteor shower will be active from December 17 to December 26. However, the peak shower will occur around December 23 and 24, with the best condition during the late night hours just before dawn. The URSID meteor shower originated from the constellation Ursa Minor, near the Northern Star, while they are visible across the Northern Hemisphere. You'll have the best chance of spotting them if you're located in the mid of northern latitudes, where the radiant points will be higher in the sky. So how many meteors are you expecting to see? Unlike most famous meteor showers, like the Geminids, the URSID meteor showers typically produce fewer meteors, around 5 to 10 meteors per hour at its peak. While this may seem modest compared to the other showers, the URSIDs can still put on a beautiful show, especially when you are in a dark, clear location. Keep in mind that URSID meteors tend to be slower than other meteors, and they often leave behind a faint tail in the sky, which adds a magical touch to the experience. So how can you get the best view of the URSID meteor shower? I have some tips to help you enjoy the show. Find the dark location. Light pollution is the enemy of stargazing. To truly enjoy the URSID, head to a dark, rural area away from the city lights. The darker your surroundings, the more meteors you will be able to spot. Time it right. The best time to watch the URSID is after midnight, with the shower peaking around dawn. That's when the radiant point in Ursa Minor will be highest in the sky. Dress warmly. Since the shower occurs in December, temperatures can drop significantly during the night. Bundle up in layers, bring a warm drink, and make sure you have blanket or recliner chair to lie back comfortably as you watch. No telescope needed. You don't need a telescope to see the URSID meteors. Just find a clear view of the sky and let your eyes adjust the darkness for the best experience. So let's just talk about what makes URSID meteor shower so special. While the URSID meteor shower doesn't offer the intense meteor rates of other showers, there's something truly magical about watching these gentle streaks of light in the cold winter night. The URSIDs also tend to produce bright white meteors, which makes them stand out against the dark backdrop of the sky. And here's a fun fact. The name URSIDs come from the Latin word ursa, which means a bear. This refers to the fact that meteor seems to radiate from the Ursa Minor constellation, which is a little bear. The URSID meteor shower may not be as well known as the other shower, but it's still a beautiful and a peaceful way to enjoy the winter night sky. Whether you are a professional astronomer or a casual stargazer, the 2024 URSID shower promises to be a memorable event. So before we wind up our year 2024, there are few more astronomical events waiting for us. If you are into stargazing this December, the URSIDs aren't the only show in the town. You'll also have the winter solstice on December 21st, the full moon on December 15th, and the Geminid meteor shower, which peaks in the mid-December. December is a fantastic month for astronomy, so keep your eyes on the sky.